There are 4 seasons in Japan, and each season requires a different set of clothing. Dry cleaning before and after storing some of your clothes is part of the process. Hello, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will teach you some of the common sentences which could be heard when you go to a dry cleaner. Summer in Japan is hot and humid. Clothes left in the closet may develop mildew. Most Japanese pack away off-season clothes, which is called koromogae. Dry cleaning some of your clothes will help you preserve their quality too. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。In the following situation, the customer will go to a dry cleaning shop to have their clothes cleaned. I hope you will find the conversation useful so you could also use them when it's your time to visit one. いらっしゃいませ。This means, welcome, how may I help you? This line is commonly heard to almost all of the shops to assure their customers of their willingness to be of service. こんにちは。この服をお願いします。This means, hello, I need these clothes cleaned, please. In Japanese, whenever you ask for a favor, you may say something をお願いします。かしこまりました。会員カードはお持ちでしょうか？ This means, thank you. Do you have a membership card? かしこまりました is mainly used when store staff, clerks, or anyone from the customer services respond to the boss or customer's request. About the customer's card, many, or if not, all shops in Japan use a membership card not only for identification, but also for recognizing the customer's loyalty in patronizing their shop by giving some freebies, discounts, or points. はい、これです。お願いします。This means, here you are. 斉藤さんですね。服3枚お預かりします。The staff will say this to confirm the information is correct. This means, you are Mr. Saito, right? I got 3 clothes from you. Those staff usually do this to confirm if they received the correct number of items from you. シミがいくつかありますが、きれいになりますか？ This means, yes, there are some stains, but will you be able to clean them? はい、きれいになりますよ。1枚500円ですので、1500円になります。This means, yes, we can. A piece is for 500 yen, so it will be 1,500 yen in total. はい。This is a way of affirmation or approval. こちらがお客様控えになります。明日の夕方6時に服3枚お渡しで受けたまわりますので、その時に控えをお渡しください。This means, here's your receipt. Please pick them up after 6 p.m. tomorrow. Just present this receipt to claim your items. We call dry cleaner receipt 控え or お預かり表. Generally, the following lists are written in the receipt: shop name, date, time, category of clothes dry cleaner has gotten, finish date and time, and price details. 受けたまわる is categorized as humble language in Japan and is used when staff accept to do a favor for a customer. お渡しください sounds also a humble phrase. If you want someone to give something, you can say 渡してください. But converting it to a humble version, or will be added to the initial and して will be dropped. ありがとうございます。よろしくお願いします。This is a way of expressing gratitude while also telling them that you are leaving the job in their hands. Let's look and listen at the conversation one more time. This time without the explanation. This is a typical conversation in a dry cleaning shop. いらっしゃいませ。こんにちは。この服をお願いします。かしこまりました。会員カードはお持ちでしょうか？はい、これです。お願いします。斉藤さんですね。服3枚お預かりします。シミがいくつかありますが、きれいになりますか？はい、きれいになりますよ。1枚500円ですので、1500円になります。はい。こちらがお客様控えになります。明日の夕方6時に服3枚お渡しで受けたまわりますので、その時に控えをお渡しください。ありがとうございます。よろしくお願いします。I hope that this episode will be helpful to you once you find yourself in a similar situation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you in our next episode. またね。